Good morning, children. Today's lesson we had discussed about the adaptations in tropical rainforest animals. Before going to the adaptations in tropical rainforest, I would like to recapitulate the chapter. Weather is the momentarily condition of the atmosphere when you are talking about it, like temperature, like rainfall, sunshine, and all. Climate is an average atmospheric condition over a long period of time, say for about 20-25 years. So, weather may change several times in a day, or weather may not change for several days at a single go. And climate is about something which is an average of the weather conditions for very long periods. So, children, we have different types of weathers, and with respect to weathers we have different climates, and according to the climates we have many places classified accordingly. Now animals have to adapt themselves according to the climate of the place. Now there may be a climate, say for example if you go to the northeastern hills, there you will find quite a very heavy rainfall along with moderately low temperature. So such places are called as wet and cold. And if you visit desert places of like Rajasthan, there you will find very low rainfall and temperature remains generally very high. Such climate is called as dry and hot. And if you come to Dehradun, the temperature remains generally in between 4 degrees to 38 degrees throughout the year, and the heavy rainfall. So the temperature here is normal and heavy humid. And if you visit coastal areas like Kolkata, like your Chennai, your Bombay, those places receives very high rainfall, and the temperature in those places never falls below 20 to 23 degrees. So generally those places are called as hot and humid. Then children, we shall be coming to the adaptations of animals in these areas. First of all, we shall be discussing the adaptations in tropical rainforest. Why I had taken this tropical rainforest? Because children, I believe that you people can correlate tropical rainforest more than other climates, because here in Uttaranchal also, Uttarakhand also, we have many forests here, and you may have seen many animals in rainforest, like I would be showing you one here. See here children, we have so large a variety of animals in the rainforest, like here these are monkeys, and see many various kinds of butterflies. Here if you see this one, this one, you can see the various kinds of monkeys, then frogs, then leopards. Leopards are very common around us. You must have heard about the accidents pertaining to leopards attack on the children, on animals, domestic animals and all. And here in these jungles you will find various kinds of insects also. You see how beautiful are these insects. See, these insects are very very beautiful. See these various kinds of ants, and this is your you can say wild pig, and these are the varieties of your monkeys. And here the leopard, which you know it very well, right? So apart from these we have other animals. We have a varieties of birds and other animals around us. See here, see the rainforests have large varieties of frogs. Here you see the frog, these frogs, snakes, anacondas, and many big things. And here you must be able to see this. This is called as your hornbills kind of birds. Okay, and these you see these animals. So tropical rainforests are full of animal and plant varieties. There are many. Here you can say a lot more. See here the various kinds of lizards, and what is common in them all? They are all very bright colors. They have very bright colors. And why should they have bright colors? You see here this bird, this lizard, and then again one kind of lizard, again one kind of bird, and you see here the beetles, and you see here the monkeys, also these varieties of birds and varieties of mammals here, hyenas, leopards, snakes, and all these. They have, you see these small animals, they have very bright colors. So why, what is the use of these bright colors? With the help of these bright colors, these animals can hide themselves in the plants so that their predators do not see them easily, right children? So here you see these animals, these are toucans, actually they are toucans. So, and in India, Dehradun, you will find a number of grey hornbills. Many of them are here, and you see the varieties of your butterflies, other animals, frogs, and these you see. We have these days we have many of the your snails outside. So these are all the animals which are found in tropical rainforest. And why do we find the largest varieties of animals? You see, largest varieties of animals are found in tropical rainforest because there is food available in plenty throughout the year. यहाँ पर कभी बारिश, यहाँ पानी ख़त्म नहीं होता है. अगर पानी ख़त्म नहीं होता तो यहाँ पे प्लांट्स के फ्रूट्स ख़त्म नहीं होते, लीव्स ख़त्म नहीं होती, और यही तो एनिमल्स को खाना होता है. छोटे एनिमल्स प्लांट्स की लीव्स को खाएंगे, उससे बड़े उनको खाएंगे, फिर आगे उनको खाएंगे. सो क्या होता है, दिस वे द होल ऑफ द फूड चेन इज सपोर्टेड, राइट? एंड देयरफॉर वी कैन से द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट animals have adaptations of bright colors, right? And the monkeys in these areas have very long tails so that they can climb from one to another branch, and small animals having bright colors because so that they can hide themselves into the leaves. And then other predators, they will they can also change their colors. You see this frog, it can how bright it is, and these animals are generally very poisonous also, so you can never take a chance with these animals, right? And so these are the common adaptations. Their skin is generally moist, right? They have big paws and sharp claws, and they have bright colors. So these are all adaptations of tropical rainforest. And then why do we find large number of animals in tropical rainforest? Because of availability of plenty of food throughout the year. So children, this is all about today's lesson. Hope you will learn, and from this chapter